Aging is driven by what happens inside your cells. Over time, cells produce less energy, accumulate more damage, repair themselves more slowly, and remain in a state of chronic low-grade inflammation. This process gradually affects muscles, organs, metabolism, immune function, and cognitive performance. Food plays a direct role in how fast these processes progress, not because food is a cure for aging, but because the right foods consistently support cellular repair, energy production, and inflammation control, while the wrong ones accelerate decline. In this video, you'll learn which foods truly support healthy aging, how they work at a biological level, and why their effects depend on long-term patterns rather than short-term changes. Every day, your cells face damage from normal metabolism, oxidative stress, and environmental exposure. Aging accelerates when damage accumulates faster than the body can repair it. Anti-aging foods work by reducing oxidative stress, improving mitochondrial efficiency, stabilizing blood sugar and insulin, supporting DNA repair, reducing chronic inflammation. These effects are subtle but cumulative. Over time, they influence how well tissues maintain function. Let's look at the most important categories of anti-aging foods and why they matter. Protein-rich foods for muscle and metabolic aging. Loss of muscle mass is one of the strongest predictors of aging-related decline. Muscle tissue supports glucose regulation, hormone balance, and physical resilience. Adequate protein intake slows aging by preserving muscle mass and supporting continuous tissue repair. High-quality protein foods include eggs, fish, dairy, lean meats, well-combined plant proteins. Protein provides amino acids needed to repair enzymes, hormones, immune components, and structural tissue. Without enough protein, repair slows and aging accelerates. Equally important is protein distribution. Consuming protein consistently across meals supports more frequent repair signaling than concentrating it in one meal. Chronic inflammation accelerates aging across all systems. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel provide omega-3 fatty acids that directly reduce inflammatory signaling and improve cell membrane function. Cell membranes influence how cells communicate, respond to stress, and repair damage. Omega-3s make membranes more flexible and resilient. Regular intake of omega-3 rich foods is associated with better cardiovascular health, improved cognitive aging, and slower functional decline. Vegetables provide antioxidants, fiber, and phytochemicals that protect cells from oxidative damage. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts support detoxification enzymes and cellular stress responses. Leafy greens provide magnesium, folate, and carotenoids that support energy production, DNA stability, and mitochondrial function. Vegetable intake is consistently associated with lower inflammation and improved metabolic health, both critical for slowing aging. Berries are among the most powerful anti-aging foods due to their high polyphenol content. Polyphenols activate cellular defense pathways, reduce oxidative stress, and improve mitochondrial efficiency. They also influence gut microbiota composition, which plays a role in immune regulation and inflammation control. Regular consumption of berries is associated with improved cognitive aging, better vascular function, and reduced inflammatory markers. Extra virgin olive oil provides monounsaturated fats and polyphenols that support cardiovascular health and reduce inflammation. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production, cell membrane integrity, and absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Replacing refined oils with olive oil improves metabolic signaling and reduces aging-related risk factors. Fiber supports healthy aging by improving blood sugar control, reducing inflammation, and supporting gut health. Legumes provide fiber, protein, and minerals that support metabolic stability. Stable blood sugar reduces insulin-driven aging processes and lowers the risk of metabolic disease. Fiber-rich diets are associated with reduced mortality and improved long-term health outcomes. The gut microbiome influences immune function, inflammation, and metabolic regulation. Fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi support microbial diversity. A healthier microbiome is associated with improved immune balance and reduced systemic inflammation, both of which slow aging. Nuts and seeds provide magnesium, zinc, selenium, and healthy fats that support antioxidant defenses and cellular repair. These micronutrients are involved in DNA repair, immune regulation, and energy metabolism. Consistent intake supports resilience rather than producing immediate effects. Cocoa provides flavonoids that improve vascular function and reduce oxidative stress. In moderate amounts, dark chocolate supports blood flow, brain health, and cellular protection. The benefit depends on cocoa content and minimal added sugar. Water is essential for nutrient transport, detoxification, and cellular function. Dehydration increases stress signaling and reduces metabolic efficiency. Proper hydration supports every anti-aging mechanism discussed so far. Just as important as anti-aging foods are foods that accelerate aging. These include added sugars, refined carbohydrates, ultra-processed foods, excessive alcohol. These foods increase insulin resistance, inflammation, oxidative stress, and liver burden, all of which accelerate biological aging. Reducing these foods is often more impactful than adding new ones. No single food slows aging on its own. Anti-aging effects come from patterns, not individual items. When protein supports muscle, omega-3s reduce inflammation, vegetables provide antioxidants, fiber stabilizes blood sugar, and healthy fats support cellular structure, the body maintains function more effectively over time. This creates a biological environment where repair keeps pace with damage. A common mistake is expecting fast results. Anti-aging benefits develop internally long before they appear externally. Another mistake is focusing on supplements instead of food quality. Another is inconsistency. Aging is slow, and so is the process of slowing it. Anti-aging foods do not stop time. They support cellular resilience, metabolic stability, and repair capacity, which determines how well the body functions as it ages. When these foundations are supported consistently, aging progresses more slowly and with fewer complications. That is the real goal of anti-aging nutrition.